Picture this. You're scrolling through your phone, and suddenly you hear the Netflix ta-dum sound. What happens? You probably feel a little excited, right? Maybe you even start thinking about what show to watch next. Congratulations! You've just experienced classical conditioning, the same psychological phenomenon that made Pavlov's dogs drool at the sound of a bell. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how your brain got tricked into doing that. Welcome to Psych 101, as part of our new mini-series. Today you're going to learn what classical conditioning is, how it actually works in your brain, and why it matters in your everyday life. Let's dive in. So let's go back to 1890s Russia. Ivan Pavlov was studying digestion in dogs. Exciting stuff, right? He noticed something weird. His dogs started drooling before they got food. Just seeing the lab assistant who usually fed them was enough. Most scientists would have ignored this. Pavlov got curious. Here's what he did. He started ringing a bell right before feeding the dogs. Bell, then food. Bell, then food. Over and over. At first, the dogs only drooled when they saw the food. But after a while, the bell alone made them drool. No food needed. This was revolutionary. Pavlov had discovered that you could create a learned response to something that originally meant nothing. The bell didn't naturally make dogs drool, but the brain made a connection. This is classical conditioning, learning through association. And boom, new automatic response created. But here's what makes this so powerful. This happens to you all the time and you don't even realize it. Think about it. Your phone notification sound? That little dopamine hit you feel? Classical conditioning. Your brain has learned notification sound equals possible reward. The smell of your ex's cologne in a store? That weird feeling in your stomach? Your brain paired that smell with memories and emotions. Coffee shop music? Starbucks knows what they're doing. They've conditioned you to associate certain sounds and smells with time to relax and spend money. Even anxiety can be classically conditioned. If you had a panic attack in an elevator once, your brain might start associating elevators with danger, even though elevators themselves aren't dangerous. Advertisers, app developers, and marketers use classical conditioning on you every single day. Wild, right? Quick check. Can you think of something you've been classically conditioned to respond to? Drop it in the comments. I'm genuinely curious. Understanding classical conditioning is your first step to understanding how your brain learns, forms habits, and even develops fears. In the next episode, we're leveling up to operant conditioning, which is all about rewards and punishments, and why you can't stop checking your phone every 5 minutes. If you want to actually understand psychology, not just memorize terms for a test, subscribe and hit that notification bell. We built a complete Psych 101 course, one episode at a time.